And here's my collection. Now just ignore the mess at the moment. I'm currently restoring. Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. For today we're going to do another unboxing of a 50-pack Hot Wheel box. Now, as with all our videos, we're going to be unboxing it on one of our cars. Today we're going to choose the GTR for some good luck. Let's see what we find. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Wow! Seriously? Wow! Skylines on skylines on skylines, and this was like very special. That is much more worth than what I paid for this 50-pack. Okay guys, joke is up. Today's April Fool's, 1st of April. This is not what you actually find in a 50-pack. Actually, to be honest, I did find this in the 50-pack, but definitely not this set or anything of this sort. But so you clicked on this video. I don't want to leave you empty-handed. Let me show you my current collection. And here's my collection. Now just ignore the mess at the moment. I'm currently restoring a Datsun 260Z, and this is my go-to spot for all the parts I'm taking off it. More on that in the description below. I'll provide a link for all information on that project if you're interested. So let's start what we have. Hot Wheels only. I do have other stuff, but again, comment below if you want me to go over that stuff, but this video is for Hot Wheels. Now I'd like to actually sort them out by country. So we have the Japanese, German, American and British, sort of to speak. And if I can, I sort of also sort them by manufacturer. So we have the Nissan line here, got our pickups, wagons, 240Zs with the Genos, Skyline i32, Silvia. I really like the Silvia. It's very uncommon to have a Hot Wheels in dark gray metallic. Now, basically what I collect is just what I find in bookshops, toy stores and whatnot. I try to avoid buying them online. The sort of effect of finding them is the beauty of collecting these cars. And we've got a 350Z, 180SX and a 240Z. Now, the car I'm restoring is similar to this one, obviously without the graphics. It's going to be black, and hopefully it looks cool as the ones in the Hot Wheels. Now I really do like collecting the plain ones when I can. Like I really like this Mazda RX-7. Really don't like graphics on my cars, and they're very hard to find with Hot Wheels, but when I do, it's my go-to sort of pick of the day. Now, I really try to avoid buying from eBay or just one-offs online. I really like the hunt. I really enjoy that, and that's why I collect them. In fact, I still have some empty space. And yeah, so let's continue. Got more Nissans. It's a cool cartoonish one. Another pickup in green. So I like try to find them in multiple colors of the same one. That's me. Early Skyline, 300ZX, R33, which I actually found in the 50-pack. So you do find good stuff. We got the Fast and Furious Skyline and the Gran Turismo themed R34. Now down here we have Toyota Supra, a couple of early first edition Celicas. Now I was lucky enough to find them in green, and I actually owned one of these cars. So whenever I have the chance to find a Celica, I buy one. Got the A86, I prefer the panda shaped one, kind of cool. That's in some more Nissans. You got the R34 early Skyline and the 240C by the actor of Fast and Furious. That his signature there. The only Mitsubishi in the collection. Really wish they made more. Can't wait to find them. Very nice Civic. With mods, modified bonnet, spoiler, bigger wheels, kind of cool. Got our pair of NSXs in the same color. EF Civic, much more modern Civic. A CRX, this is really cool. I really like this one. And even this, the Integra DC2. We do got some other Hondas, NAS 2000, a couple of CRXs, NSXs, Civics, CRX in red. This kind of cool purple lilac color Integra. Some Mazdas. Even the Mazda pickup. I do like pickups, so very lucky to find this in a 50 pack as well. Okay, now we start with the German cars, specifically Porsche. We got our 964 and 934 in black. We got similar ones but orange. I think I do have another one in a different color. Yeah, I do a blue one down here. We go white. This interesting, I think this is a 917. I really wish they do one in the pig livery. It's kind of iconic Porsche, and I really wish they did one of those. I would grab that in an instant. Okay, and obviously the odd one out is this Matchbox parked in a different way. I'm not sure if all Matchboxes are like that, but I had to have a 997. It's my favorite Porsche 911 of them all, and I do like the color blue, so you're gonna see much more blue. Now we do have some more Japanese cars. There's a Subaru WRX and a much more modern WRX. This is not by Hot Wheels. That is just a generic one, but I happened to come across it and I bought one. Funnily enough, I do own a WRX first edition. Hot Wheels do make it, but I haven't found it yet in a toy shop or anything like that. Just can't wait to add it here, specifically in white. Okay, we got our BMWs. Got the red E30, there's another one white below. M2. Really like the M2s as the range. Prefer it much more than the M4, which is bigger. In fact, I want to look to buy one, but then I settled for the R33 GTR you've seen in the video. This is another nice classic, an E9. Definitely had to have the E46 M3 in the collection. And this one's special because it has rubber wheels. Wasn't cheap. This is a Real Riders. So what you have is a more quality paint job. So you see this with the tail lights, the badging and everything. And then you see these normal ones. So you might see, overpaint or whatnot. There's no lights or whatever, or decals. So this is what makes it more special. And I think even the interior is more detailed as well on that. There's the M4 and the E30, which is a bit special because it's a BMW branded one, long card. And we'll sort that out later. We got our Audis. Got an S5 over here. Quattro. Only Mercedes in the collection. I really found this in the 50 pack and glad I did. It's quite nice. Going to supercar territory now. We have the Veyron and the Lamborghini Centenario. It's quite cool. We got some Volkswagens. Again, these were found at the 50 pack. You do find good stuff in the 50 pack, so I cannot say they're not good. I'll provide a link in the description below where you can buy a 50 pack. Now we got our American cars, the Raptor. We got our Mustangs in the Gulf livery. I'm not sure how many are in this collection, but they are actually cool. Got a plain white Mustang. I really like this. Our pickup, I think this is the F-150. No, F1, okay. Really like the paint job on this. Quite nice. All the way down here by itself, we have a French car, Renault Alpina. I do like road going cars, as you can see the theme. So something like that, I'll put it in my collection. We got a Ford Focus, Fiesta, and in between an Escort, which been very popular in the early 2010s. Everyone was crazy about them. I just managed to get one. They're really out of stock everywhere. Good thing I got one. Okay, we've got our pickup, Range Rover Velar. Like I said, I quite like the street cars, so any chance I have, I would get one, even though it's not to my liking, but I do like street cars. Okay, we've got our Challenger and Charger. Now this Charger is huge. It's touching exactly with the plastic, and you put it like compared with the Focus, you can see how huge that is. Compared to the Veyron, huge. That is huge. Compared to the Charger and Challenger, look at that. That is huge. We got the Corvette. Got a Dodge. I have no clue what this is. D100. But I do like the shape of it. Kind of cool. A Camaro. And a old Chevy. Okay, we do have this dune buggy. Jet truck. Kind of really cool with this Hot Wheels livery. Volvo. I think this is a police car. Correct me if I'm wrong. Looks like it. A McLaren. Aston Martin. Vulcan. Yeah, again, lucky to find this in the 50 pack. Got the Aston Martin DB5 and a couple of Defenders. But that's not all. We've also got, just turn on the lights, we also got some transporters. One for the Porsche. Really like these. These are not cheap, quite expensive, but you do get a nice transporter. It's a real rider, so you got the rubber wheels and all those details on it. And I think there's another one here for the R34 Skyline. It's all the way back there. And there's also one with the Datsun station wagon. There we go. And of course, we had to have the 3 Skylines in white, and we added this cool R35, the collection which wasn't there. Thanks for watching. Those were all my Hot Wheels. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe below, and comment below if you want to see any more of my diecast collection. Take care.